This is Trey Ann with the FRVTA, and I'm at the Florida State Fairgrounds for a sneak peek of the 2026 Tampa Bay Summer RV Show. We're just one day away from opening the gates, and the final touches are happening all around us. Dealers are positioning RVs, cleaning windows, and setting up displays, getting everything ready for 4 exciting days of RV shopping and fun. One of the things that makes this show so special is that it is the only multi-dealer RV show in Florida during the summer. That means local Floridians have an opportunity to shop the latest RVs all in one place without waiting until the fall or winter show season. Summer is actually one of the best times for Florida residents to shop for an RV. The snowbirds have returned north, campgrounds are less crowded, and it gives you plenty of time to find the perfect RV before fall and winter travel season arrives. Multi-dealer RV shows are simply the best way to shop for an RV. Different dealers carry different brands and manufacturers, so comparing models often means driving from dealership to dealership. Here at the Tampa Bay Summer RV Show, you can compare your favorite models in a single visit. And there is certainly plenty to see. Multiple local dealers will be displaying the best new 2026 RVs, featuring the latest technology, innovations, and floor plans. Beyond the RVs, you'll also find vendor booths representing a variety of RV resorts, products, services, and accessories to enhance your RV lifestyle. Grab a bite to eat, browse the exhibits, see RVs of all classes, and make a day of it with family and friends. Whether you're ready to buy or simply looking for inspiration for your next adventure, there is something here for everyone. The 2026 Tampa Bay Summer RV Show is being held June 18th through 21st at the Florida State Fairgrounds. The gates are open Thursday through Saturday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and Sunday from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. For more information, please visit our website, frvta.org, and click the show link on the homepage. Thanks for watching, and we will see you at the show.